everyone, it's Alexis. I hope you are doing well. We have our big Black Friday sale happening right now on both Sizzix.com and Sizzix.co.uk. There's so many goodies. Like, I can't even tell you. I was looking through the list of stuff that's going to be in the sale, and even I was like, I might need to go shopping. It's up to 80% off some of these items. There's a lot of even some of our new stuff that just came out in Chapter 3. And if you are still looking for stuff to make for the holidays, decorate for the holidays, if you're looking for DIY gifts, or if you're just looking to get gifts for the crafty person in your life, there's so many great options on the sale. So I'm going to go through a few of the items that are in the sale so you can get an idea of what you can be making for the holidays. And then I'm going to take you through a little make that I thought would be really fun to do with the kids. So I'm going to have my little lovely camera person come on down. One of the first dies that I loved was the Stunning Snowflake from Tim Holtz. It's a thinlits die set. It comes with these two really intricate thinlits dies, and I've got a couple of cards here that Pete Hughes made. Look how stunning those are, both if you're into mixed media or if you wanted to go with like a more traditional rustic route. They're very layerable and perfect for those holiday cards that you might be sending out to family and friends this year. We've also got this fun little retro tree die set. This is part of the Chapter 3. It also works with our tree domes. I thought these would be great for fun gift tags for the year, or if you wanted to do like a countdown, a nativity scene or anything like that with the kids. This is a really fun little make option for them. We've got this Christmas tree card. It comes with this little portion on the die, and then you add it to your cards. Another great option for not only decorating around the house, but also for those cards throughout the year. Because I can actually see that being used throughout the whole year, just depending on what colors you use. This one's one of my favorites. This is the Jar Diorama. And again, this is one that you could use year-round or even just at the holidays. I thought this would make a really fun home decor piece as well as card making. Then we've got this next one from Tim Holtz, the holly pieces. This one cuts an aperture so you can actually create these fun little mixed media backgrounds behind the cut, or you can use them as stencils like this one. This one right here, the Merry and Bright, is actually also part of the set, one of the sets that's coming out. So Merry and Bright right here. It's a fun little word set. So Pete, actually, this one, he did a really cool little mixed media inking situation. And then for this one, I did it out of texture roll on a little wreath. And this die right here, Festivities, is also part of the sale. And then I just made some flowers with our festive sculpting foam. So you can have home decor for the house. You can also, I think that flower is perfect for year round. And then this last little one I thought was so cute, Layered Snowflake. Such a fun one. I could actually see you stringing these along a banner and hanging them over the fireplace or around the door. Lots of fun ideas. But all of you are gonna have kids at home for the most part, or you're gonna have nieces, nephews, grandkids coming over, and you might wanna have something fun to do with them. And so we have a fun little die set right here that makes this little Santa slider, or not slider, but a little Santa card, but it also makes a polar bear. So these I think would be really cute. I've left it open right now, but if you added just a little bit of glue to the side, you could close these up and they could put their little letters to Santa in it, or you could put a gift card, lots of options. But I thought these are just a really fun making activity for the kids. So I'm gonna show you how to make the polar bear. So it's the same die set that makes the Santa and the polar bear. I've already pre-cut some of the smaller portions right here, and we'll glue those all together, but I'm gonna cut the main pieces that we still need. So on the Santa card, these two little guys are his arms, and on the polar bear, it's just his arms, but they're not sleeves, they're actually the polar bear arms. So I'm gonna cut that one out. And then this portion is what creates your actual base. So I'm gonna grab that. And you just need to cut one of them, and then it creates the score line that you can fold along. So this little die set is part of the sale. It's called Santa's Letter, but it makes a Santa and a polar bear. So let me move this out of the way and we'll assemble. So you're just going to fold right there to get your little folding element. And you can add glue right here, like I said, but I'm gonna put it together first. So you're gonna line up the arms right here. I'm just gonna use some of my express glue and start assembling this. Okay. You'll line up the edges, and I always lay one down. And this express glue dries so quick. Make sure when you put it down, you have it exactly where you want it to be. I know I'm doing this upside down for you, so I'll try to turn it around as I go. But I gotta line it up with my right side up. Okay. So now we've got the little arms on, and next I wanna put on my ears, so then I can determine where it's gonna be. So the ears actually glue on behind at the top, so I'm gonna just put a little bit of glue along the edge and then add that to the back side of the main part. So I think the little ear right there. Okay, and we'll just glue on the other one. Move this out of the way so you can see better. Okay, and then the little die set comes with the inner ears, which I've pre-cut out of our ballet slipper cardstock. And I'm just gonna add those little inner ear portions on. How cute is that? And then there's this fun little scarf that comes with the die set for the polar bear. So I'm gonna lay this down just to kind of get an idea where I wanna lay the scarf. And I'm thinking right there is perfect, just above the fold. We'll just add a little bit of glue onto the back of this. It also comes with this box that you can make a little gift out of that the polar bear could be holding in his arms. So I'm gonna add the lid to the box. And it also comes with a little bow. So I'll add that to the top of the box. And I cut this out of our festive glitter, white glitter cardstock. So while that dries, I'm gonna add on my little eyes and my nose. And I'm gonna just use a die pick. It's a little tip of the trade. I take my die pick and put a little bit of glue on it, and then it's easy to put those little pieces on. Got my nose. And then we just have to add on our little present, and you've got your polar bear. Really quick and simple, easy to make with the kids, easy for them to put together for the holidays so they could put their little wish lists, or they could put you gift cards if you've got little gifts you need to give to people. But here's your little Santa and your little polar bear from the same die set, and then you can decide if you want them to write the letter inside and leave this open, or you can glue it closed and they can slip their letter in. The possibilities are really and truly endless with that. But that's just a small sampling of what we've got in the sale. Be sure to check it out. It's going on now through Sunday, and we hope you have fun hunting for all those fun little finds on there. I hope you will all have a great holiday, and we will see you soon.